a stunning street rod at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1934 Buick Victoria street rod, and it is done very nicely from the paint to the interior to the underside. Engine, it is set up to drive. It's got an LS1 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 4L60E. All the equipment, power steering, power brakes with 4-wheel disc. Mustang 2 front end. We'll get into some more of the details on the underside here in a bit. Vintage AC and heat. It is an all steel car. It does have a 2-inch chop. This hood will actually pivot on the driver's or passenger side, so you could open it here with it pivoting on the driver's side, or you can open it from the driver's side and it pivots on the passenger side. You can see that in the still pictures. Great looking front end on this car. Another thing I want to quick mention is 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, riding on regular chrome wheels. You can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, if you want to check out all the still pictures. Suicide doors, as you can see. And then look at how everything fits. Look at these lines. The doors fit front and back. Just a quality build. Beautiful car. It does have new weather stripping, this molding, Metro molding, and nice and pliable, as you can see. GTO seats, new leather on them. Those are power seats, power windows, and I want you to listen to this door close. Just tell this car is quality built. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. When I come down back to the rear, it does have an 8.8 Ford rear end in it. Adjustable coilovers on the rear. The battery on this is located in the trunk, kind of in the center, and there is a battery disconnect switch underneath the rear, right in this area, just so you know, and you'll be able to see that from the underside pictures. Third brake light Frenched into the rear of the car. What a fun car. You could take friends, family, kids with you. You have luggage room in the rear of it, and your hot rod runs. Want to do a little traveling with it. Not a car I'd be afraid to go down the road with at all. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come look at this car, check it out, feel free to. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video, the driving video, and of course all the pictures. Once again, those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726, number to call with any questions. You can see the finish on this and the paint. Gorgeous. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Go over a few things in here. Again, those GTO seats and power. Tilt the column. Speed hut gauges. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. See, hear it run, and I'll go through a few things in the interior. One of them was a stereo I wanted to show you. That is actually built into the glove box. That is obviously in working order. Switch right here for the fan. The switch is for the wipers. And of course your AC and heat controls. You have a fuel gauge down here. It is working. Temperature gauge here. That was a cold start. Oil pressure. And then voltmeter down here. So nice gauge cluster. You can also see as far as the tach. Tach is working. All right. Horn works. Above the headliner, look at this custom. Check it out in the still picture. It's beautiful. And you can see seats show very little wear. It is newer leather. Again, listen to that door close. And there are the safety for these suicide doors. So you know also, you do have the safety. It's on the doors front. Here we go. Right here. So you can flip that open when you're driving down the road or trailing it. You don't have to worry about the door coming open. That is bad news at a few miles an hour. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. and a great sounding car. Nothing over the top. This car is just elegant. What a great looking street rod. Alright, I'm going to open the hood, this door. We'll open it, we'll pivot from the passenger side, open it up on the driver's side. Check out the still pictures. I believe I have them both ways in there so you'll be able to see. And let's check out that engine bay. There you go. Now you get an idea of what I'm talking about, how that pivots. Prop rod. There you can see power brakes. There's that LS1. Painted coverage to match, obviously out of a Corvette. And remember, that's paired up with the 4L60E, AC also. Definitely take this into your roll-ins, cruising, shows. Not be afraid to open that hood. Remember, stick around too. We're going to take this car down the road so you kind of get an idea what it's like to ride along with it. A little virtual experience. 1934 Buick Victoria Street Rod. Beautifully done. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Take a look in the description on our website. It's going to tell you all about this car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the pictures and the description. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1934 Buick Victoria. This would be a 2-door, very nice car. In the glove box we have a Pioneer aftermarket radio, and that is working well. Nice hideaway with aluminum custom-made frame for it. This is an automatic on the column. Very smooth running car. Very good acceleration. This car is super tight. Steering feels good. Brakes feel good. A nice road feel. You're looking for a street rod that can perform, this would be a great one, and you don't see very many Buicks. There's a fan switch on the dash that I do have running. Water temperature is 190. Our tachometer and speedometer working well. Oil pressure is 40 as we cruise down the road at 1500 RPM. Letting go of the wheel. This car does stay nice and straight. Turn signals are working. Very good brakes. Very nice cornering. It's not leaning at all. This car is fitted with shoulder strap seat belts and leather looking bucket seats. Air conditioning is blowing cool right now. Great styling inside and outside this car. There's a fuel gauge down on the lower part of the dash showing under a quarter of a tank, and on the left lower part of the dash we're charging at just over 13.5 volts. There's those brakes again, working really good. Excellent runner, good throttle response as well. Definitely check out all the pictures and read about this Buick at UniqueClassicCars.com.